Yeah, I'll take a break from messing around with the rebuild on the 6x6 and check this one out. So about 4 months ago, I posted a video where I was rebuilding, or actually fixing, this swing cylinder by putting some new seals in it. I didn't know where the hell to get the seals from at the time because, 1965 tractor with a 71 made cylinder in it, backhoe, but still a badass little old tractor, front end bucket loader, backhoe, but the backhoe wouldn't swing right or left because that swing cylinder had a blown seal on the top. And like I said, you can go back and look at the video. I had that taken apart and showed you the guts of this thing. But so this is kind of an update. I did get it up and running, so I'm really excited about that. Actually, let's see here, let's kick her in the guts. Oh yeah, fires right up. All right, so you raise the boom. That boom off the ground. All right, swing cylinder. Swings to the right. Oh, slow down there, baby. I don't have the legs dug in, but goes to the right. So excited, so badass. I actually have a working backhoe on my little hobby farm here. Like I said, really excited. But yeah, I have a couple of hoses that I need to replace. There's one in here that's leaking. I think it's this guy right here. Might be up higher. Replace one of those lines. I gotta replace this line right here. So that would be this guy, which is probably the one I have to replace back in here too. And then one on the front bucket. But yeah, let me turn the fuel off here from the petcock here. Turn that off. I still have to fix the fuel leak. It drips. You can see it dripping. So small fuel leak from the fuel pump. Not a big deal. It's just a little O-ring, but a little fucking O-ring can cost you 2-3 hours of work. But hey, for a 1965 tractor, this thing still runs like a scalded ape, and it's gonna get my pond dug. So that's what I have it for, is for a pond. Looking at probably around a 3-acre pond. I'm hoping to make it about, I don't know, between 10 and 12, maybe 15, 18 feet on the deep end or something. We'll see what I have time. But so it's kind of an update video from the last one where I was like, oh, please help. No, guys, I didn't know nothing about tractors before I got this thing. I work on shit, sure. I'm good at, doing some mechanical things, stuff I've learned on my own, for cars, ATVs, the 6-wheeler, the 8x8s, shit like that I do on my spare time. But this guy right here, yeah. Don't worry, I'm gonna get it painted. I'll get around to doing all that shit too. I know it looks like a bag of buttholes, but hey, it runs, it does what I need it to do, and it's gonna dig me my pond. So how it looks isn't as important right now, but I will get around to that. I will get to fixing this old boy, and getting it to where it needs to be back in the glory days. Yeah, those damn, get away, get, you bastards. Red hornets, or whatever the hell those things are. They built a nest up underneath here. If I bang on that, I'll get two or three or four of them come flying out and chasing me around the damn yard. I got to kill those things too, so problems. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you the backhoe that I did get the swing cylinder back up and running again, and I'll be using this machine here pretty quickly. So, all right, well, I guess it's back to work now on the 6x6. Thanks, guys.